All right, welcome to episode number 2. We'll see how this goes. So we're just leaving the old dealership here in town. Ordered some parts. Wallet's a little bit lighter. Definitely not the last time we'll be here ordering parts, but figure might as well let the wallet take a hit a little bit at a time. So this episode should probably consist of some cleaning, some more cleaning, and maybe some more cleaning. So hope you enjoy. All right, back here in the garage today, we're gonna tackle some clutching. A little rough. So, took our secondary apart a little bit, got our helix out, got her all spit shined up real nicely. That looks pretty good here. Just a little dirty, that's all. A little belt dust on her. Got our spring out. We're getting her cleaned up. Yeah, you can't feel it in the video, obviously. Right here, super rough. Over here, less rough, just looks like crap. Well, after debating that a little bit, we decided to go on the old eBay machine. Found a used one. Looks like it's a lot better than ours. $270. Heck yeah, buy that now. So as you saw, we're gonna get another secondary on its way from somewhere in Wisconsin, Greenville, Wisconsin. So definitely worth it for, if you can take into consideration, if we blow 2 belts, all of a sudden it's more expensive than just getting this used assembly to go in right here for our secondary. So while we wait for that, we don't have a clutch puller for our primary clutch, but we wait for a primary puller. We picked up, I'll show you the right side. This from Amazon, $8 push button kill switch special. Had one of these on my last sled. Really like it. Tree branches won't hit you or hit it. You know, shut your sled off on you, stuff like that. So we're gonna do a little soldering, get that in place. So I didn't really film much of this here, but we got our push button kill switch in. Look at there, perfect. Got to tighten her down a little bit, but basically trimmed this off the end. This is your standard whatever plug that it came with. Figured out where we want to cut it, somewhere back in here, and then just soldered wires together and taped her up and hit her in the loom here, and perfect. Well, since we've been out here, guy responded to me on Do Talk. He's got some parts that we're going to pick up for this old girl. We've got a brake rotor on its way. We've got a snow flap on its way, so we're going to put a full-length snow flap on it. Might do the removable snow flap actually, but for now we got a long one on its way, so that'll be nice. Let's look at figure out what we want to do with the bumper. I should probably just take that off right now. But then we also have a shorter riser coming. I did this on my XM and I really liked it. The risers are just too tall even for a 6'4" guy like me. Makes it a little bit harder to initiate a side hill, but once you're in a side hill, boy, it's a lot easier to control the sled, so less fighting it. So I'm looking forward to getting that stuff. It's all gonna come together like a good plan. Listen here, Mr. Spider. This snowmobile's not the place for you. Meanwhile, we clean underneath the gas tank a little bit, vacuumed up all the pine needles and stuff. So we're gonna put that back on now. Call that good. All right, so to wrap up day 2, we got the secondary out. Tried cleaning it up, realized we're just gonna order a new one. We realized we got some parts on the way. A riser, brake rotor, snow flap. We got the bumper off, snow flap off. Drilled out some rivets, piece of cake really. Nothing to it. Did some cleaning. Apparently there's a warranty service bulletin on this chain assembly. So we'll have to take that in once we get her put back together for that. And there's another one for the fuel system or something, and one other one too. So hopefully next time we pull the primary off and get to go through that, figure out what we need there, and get some more cleaning done. So thanks for tuning in. Another episode. This is pretty fun. I'm enjoying the process, the video making process. So I got some ideas going through my mind for in-season videos and stuff. So thanks for watching. If there's anything, you want to suggest doing, comment down below. Comments are always appreciated. So thanks. Peace.